Dr. Kory and Elmo here, going over some content, getting some education out for everybody, so you NutriClean people just keep rocking and rolling and winning in life, right?
Yes.
Elmo, go ahead and take it away as far as some of the things, some more FAQs.
Yep, a lot of questions are being asked about the weight scale. So they wake up and they're a pound heavier than they were yesterday, yet they followed everything to the T. So a lot of people are questioning and being more concerned about why they're gaining weight when they're following the caloric.
Yes. Love
needs
it.
of what
So
you are
rule number
providing.
one, and this is the rule of weight loss, and I'm sorry, we're kind of breaking it, but we need the information. Don't go by the scale. But yeah, we're gonna have you weigh every day, right? But in all seriousness, you know, the 10-day assessments, when we're inching, when we're pinching, that's the true assessment. How much fat's off the body, okay? That's what it's all about. Why the scale? The scale allows us to figure out, just like you're gonna kind of learn, how foods affect you.
Yep.
You know, I mean, because that weight, like if it doesn't change, it's more than likely it's bloat, meaning your small intestine got a piece of food in it, it didn't like, you're drinking all this water, it's gonna pull the water in and it's going to flush it, okay? It's trying to get it out. That process to heal the gut is 12 weeks.
Yeah.
So it just takes time. So don't get discouraged. I don't care if you're 30 days in, it is what it is.
Exactly.
You'll still lose fat, we'll be good with that, but the gut is going to take us some time. And that's why we go through, figure out, is it a stomach acid issue? Is it a digestive enzyme issue? Is it a probiotic issue? You know, what's wrong? Is it a lack of movement issue? Are you just not walking enough to move peristalsis?
Okay.
Or are you stuck in sympathetic response, which how many people are stuck there?
Oh yeah, lots of them.
Almost
Tons.
everybody, right?
Tons, yeah.
So fight or flight, we're all stuck in fight or flight. The other one is sympathetics or parasympathetics, which is rest and digest. Nobody gets to parasympathetics. So we're all have just a digestive system that's stalled or broken.
And there's also a lot of factors with hydration, guys. We do not kid around when we say you need to drink your water and get your electrolytes in. That is very key. If you notice that you're not drinking as much water and your weight goes up, don't be surprised with that. The more water you take in, the more fluid that gets moved around your body. Thus more excess with when you're peeing and doing all of that stuff. It's going to be fluctuating the weight quite a bit if you're not drinking that much water.
Water moves water.
Yep.
Right? Water moves water. I know it's it seems counterproductive, but water will move water. Menses, you know, if you're bloating, that's a big one. We saw that a couple times today already in assessments. Just, you know, females will retain water before the cycle. Okay? How do we limit that, or you're never going to completely avoid that one. But you can decrease it a little bit by increasing hydration, move some of that bloat that comes through with that load. I mean, it's a stressor to the body. The body's going to put on fluid to help get through that stressor. So don't freak out about the scale, okay? And it's just a clue that digestion's not quite there. It's going to take some time to heal it. Stay consistent with decreasing, bringing the right foods in that we're telling you to.
Exactly.
And it will turn on. It will work. Promise. All right.